you? Why are you following me? What do you want?
It is said that when someone dies tragically, their spirit lingers for a while in the place where they died.
But you're not dead. And even if you were, I don't have your corpse. Stay away from me.
Electra, for hurting me, peace shall elude you. You shall feel so miserable and lonely as a sad woman. You would never reach home.
Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both feet.
Babe? Baby? Babe? Baby? Are you in the bathroom? Babe? Baby. There you are. And I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. Is it better on the floor? Can I join you? You know I hate to turn around and you're not beside me to cuddle me. Come on. Come on.
Majesty.
It is so good to see you again after a very long time.
Thank you.
I was beginning to ask your father when you're built to return, and all of a sudden, you just reappear.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. You know, the pandemic actually caused a stir in Europe. We are most of the country, we are still under lockdown. I'm grateful that you all proceeded with the marriage plan. Thank you very much.
You know, you had me scared.
Really?
You had me thinking that you might not meet up with the set date. And now here you are.
Did I not tell you earlier not to worry? That he will return. Is he not back now?
Oh, well, he is.
And Jude, how is your mom? I know she's very busy lately.
She's well. You know, her job gives her a little space for the family. I mean, I wonder how my father manages her.
Jude, your father is doing just fine. Your mother's position as the Federal Minister for Finance comes with a lot of responsibilities. Meanwhile, your fiancé will take you around to show you the level of preparation we've made so far.
Wow, thank you, Your Majesty.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
All right, everyone. Let me go see how lunch is coming up. And you, sweetie, come with me. Sure. Let's go.
I know.
So, Jude, please come over here. How is work and everything over there?
Well, Your Majesty will thank God for everything. I think things are working out the way it should.
Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
Guys, get us a bottle of whiskey.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings, young lady.
Sir, I was asked to inquire from you about the drink you'd like to have.
Oh, no, I'm fine. I'm very much fine. I'm just waiting for Princess Electra. Anyways, thanks for asking.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey, sexy. Hi. How are you?
Wow.
Oh, there you are. I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
Okay.
Did you miss me much?
Yes.
I'm here now.
You're
Down.
welcome. Yes.
Ooh. Are they getting you a drink?
Nothing, I'm okay.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry I kept you waiting. I was busy inside with the royal designer. We were going over some materials.
There's no problem about that. Anyways, I thought the event planner is going to join us here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she was, but then she cancelled. However, she intimated me on all of the plans that she had up the sleeves.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so now I'll fill you
That's
in.
good.
For starters, fabrics. Let's talk about fabrics because it has an affiliation with...
Brother.
Yes, Sandra.
Brother, that is unfair.
What is unfair?
You know how much I wanted to make trade statements. Please, all you have to do for me is to support me with some money. Please.
Sandra, I never said I will not support you with some money. But all I'm saying is submit your business proposal to me. Then we can proceed from there.
Yeah.
Simple.
Business proposal.
That's it.
To my own brother.
Of course.
Does it matter?
It does.
Brother, you have the money. Please. Why delaying?
Sandra, business. The business plan. Sandra, you should know that money does not grow on trees. And I'm so serious to understand where all that goes into. You get? I am your brother and I know I have the money. I'll fund you the moment you submit the proposal. Okay? Any other thing you want us to discuss? Alright, since you don't have any other thing to discuss, excuse me, okay? As you can see, I'm a very busy person.
You are my big brother. You are my big brother.
It doesn't matter, just submit the business proposal again.
Yeah. You are my big brother now. You should just look at the money.
Oh, well. It is the prayer of every proud father to be alive to witness the marriage of their children.
True.
Today, I bless your new home.
Say,
you shall give birth to Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. You both will be alive to train your children. And they will in turn take care of you at your old age. So shall it be. It's a wonderful moment, please.
Thanks, Daddy. Thank you, Mom.
Yes.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Oh, my son. It's well with you.
Please sit. So,
everything's set. Yes, we have to go to the dining now.
Okay. I want to go home.
Go home, you said? Young lady, a man who was last seen with you was reported murdered, and you are talking about going home.
The man in question was my husband to be. Are you insinuating I killed my husband to be?
Now you tell me.
I already told you all that you need to know. I woke up and I found him dead. Babe? Baby? Babe? Baby? Are you in the bathroom? Babe? Baby. There you are. And I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you. Is it better on the floor? Can I join you? You know I hate to turn around and you're not beside me to cuddle me. Come on. Come on. What more do you want to hear?
I don't care how you are going to do that. Now you tell me what happened. Talk!
I have a right to an attorney, officer. And until the royal lawyer gets here, I am not saying anything else.
Then we shall see.
Let me pass. You Mojua! You Mojua! You have succeeded in killing my brother! God will punish you for this! He loved you! My brother loved you! Let me slap this Mojua! Let me slap this Mojua and kill my own brother! You!
Hey! Behave yourself. If I will get you arrested for assault.
You!
Yeah.
I hope the Lord will make you pay for your crime.
Young lady, I told you.
Want me to send for me?
Oh, yes, dear.
Okay.
Come and sit.
All right. Well, please, if it's going to be a long conversation, can we carry it over late hours? Because I have something I needed to attend to at the moment. Please.
I'm not going to take your time.
Okay.
But I have an important matter to discuss with you.
Fine.
Good. When are you going to get married? You see, I've seen you with so many girls. They come into your life and go. And when I wish one to stay, she disappears.
Wait. Is that all?
Is that not enough reason for me to be worried? For me to talk? For me to discuss with you? Please, I need to hold my grandchildren in my arms.
And you will, Mother. You will.
Good.
I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. But I've not really found the right one yet.
You lie, my darling. You lie. You've seen her. Only that you're too choosy to pick. Look, there are a lot of things involved in choosing a life partner. Not only facial appearance, beauty, no. Her character, temperament, attitude. Please do me a favor and get married.
It's fine, Mother. Don't worry, okay? Oh.
You want to go out? Is that all you have to say? No commitment? I mean, you have to promise me very well. Convince me.
It's fine, Mother. I promise you, okay? I promise you.
Right. That's exactly what I want to hear.
My man.
How you doing? I greet you. I'm so sorry. Sit down. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
I've been calling you all day. What's the problem?
Well, like I said, though I felt my phone vibrate, but I was in a deep conversation with my mother.
Oh.
You know her, especially when she's deep in her sermons.
Wow, it's a marriage issue again, right? Wow.
You can say that again. You're right. Let me tell you something. If I have my way, I will inform the town crier to assemble all the fine girls in this village for me to pick one for her.
Well, it's not that deep anyway. Well, how did you manage to wriggle yourself out of the situation this time? Because it's always happening.
My brother, the answer is not far-fetched. Promise. I do promise her every day that I will get her a fine woman to call my wife and for her to approve it.
Oh, very sweet. For you guys that has mom's love, I envy you. But for people like me that is an orphan,
Ago.
well?
Ago, don't go there, please. Eh? I don't want you to cry on my shoulders because I didn't even want to bring this up now. Okay? Let's go out.
It's okay.
Can just go get there? Oh, wow. Let's go out.
Always the best.
Uche, akani. Ebola kera. Uche, Ebola kera.
Just give me my money.
Uche, something bigger than your money is dragging me now. Uche, akani.
Something bigger than my money?
Yes.
What is it?
Uche, if I release now, Uche, you find yourself in mortuary. I swear to God who made me from that.
Give me my money, release.
Uche,
Chukwuka. Don't try me. Don't try me.
Uche,
I swear we do.
Uche. Do you know that you're my friend? See, both of us eat together from the same plate. Oh, Uche,
give me my money. We don't need to waste time. Give me my money.
Uche, see, look at how I'm robbing you now. Like a shower. Even I like that shower because.
Hey, you pay my money.
Uche.
Uche.
What is wrong? Who's pushing you?
Mama, you want to kill me? The other want to kill me. See him. Mama. Madam, give way.
I will not give way until you tell me why you after my son.
You guys owe me 2,000 naira.
How?
He borrowed 2,000 from me. To settle his girlfriend, he must pay me that money.
Mama, girlfriend?
Mama, it's a lie. This Agamaliza is lying. Look at this man. Mama, how dare you?
No go away.
In fact, Mama, let me kill. Let me kill you, Mama. Mama.
Okay, wait. I'll pay you the money. Wait.
Mama, bring the money.
Wait.
Bring it.
Wait. I'll pay you the money.
What can we do with you? Madam, give way.
Go away. Wait.
Mama.
Wait now.
Wait. Yes. Mama.
I know I have to tell you like that. Oh yeah. Sit down. Check it. Is it complete?
Okwagi. Mama, go and collect this money. Go and collect that money. Do you know that? All the Yahoo boys in Nigeria have landed in our town. Yes, and this Akama Lizard is the chairman of the Yahoo. Mama, he have come to Yahoo you and he have succeeded in Yahoo. Only now, all your car everything that is inside you, Mama.
So I'm now a Muku.
Full-time Muku. You have to go and collect that money. You have to go.
Are you sure you're not the Yahoo boy?
Mama, me Yahoo.
I don't.
Hey, Mama, I have told you now. You should stop beating me. I'm going to carry the carcass and paper. Hey, Mama, you have to
wait. I don't want. I can't worry. Iram.
Barrister,
Your Majesty.
I must say that you have done well.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I have always known that choosing you to handle my daughter's case is a wise decision.
I'm humbled, Your Majesty.
Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Barrister,
Your Majesty.
Kolanut is here. He who brings Kolanut brings life.
You say...
The legs that took us out will always bring us back in the name of the Most High.
You say...
Oh, Barrister.
Your Majesty.
The prediction of the kola nut is good. Or GC, 5 parts in 1 lobe. That is a very good omen. Barrister?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You can go ahead and take one.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Welcome.
Your Majesty, Princess Electra was granted bail today. The court has to adjourn the case till next week. I need to prepare my brief for the hearing proper, Your Majesty.
Barrister, I want to assure you that whatever you would need will be provided.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I am optimistic that we will triumph in this case. There's no strong evidence against the princess.
Of course. The truth is my daughter is innocent and she cannot harm anybody. Talk more of Jude. He was a very good boy from a good home. He will surely be missed.
It's okay, Your Majesty. Everything will be fine.
Thank you, Barrister.
Richard.
Yeah.
I want to sleep with you, my son.
But I hope it's not what I'm thinking, because I'm very busy now. I have some documents I want to submit back to my clients.
You have started again. Richard, you have started again. Can't you keep these papers aside and talk to me?
No. I will not keep this paper, as you said, because this paper is important.
Really? More important than finding a decent girl to marry? Oh, you want me to die without a grandchild? All the promises, empty promises you've been making to bring a woman home. That was 2 years ago. Until now, we're still fighting over it. Richard?
I don't need this. I said I don't want this. So what do you want me to do? If marriage is not working, I shouldn't work. If marriage is not working, I shouldn't feed. If marriage is not working, so I shouldn't work and make money. I do not understand you. Please, I don't want this now. Please. I have more important things I do with my life than going out and looking out for a woman to marry.
It's okay. It's okay. But don't forget, age is no longer on your side. Mr. Walker.
Well, I'm inside the place.
You can go to any place you want to go. But I've spoken my mind. Important papers. My foot!
Thinking, what if Princess Electra actually killed that man?
Parrot. You've come again with this your conspiracy theory. What made you say this in the first place?
Yes, so because I'm confused. Tell me, how did the man die just like that? Eh? Maybe they fought and she killed him.
Hey, Hope! Hold this your tongue.
Remove this your hand from my mouth.
Hope, it's high time, eh? You mind your business, hug your business, eat your business, and remove yourself from other people's wahala. Really there with them.
Tell me why I should remove my mouth from this business. Tell me one good reason why I should remove my mouth. See, the princess should better say the truth though. She should better say the truth. All she has to do is mind your business. Is it your business? Eh? Is it your business? Don't tell me you're happy with her predicament.
Who is saying I'm happy with her predicament? Eh? What's wrong with this local market man? Somebody cannot just have a healthy conversation with you. What's your problem?
No, Hope, you were gossiping. And like it or not, Princess Electra has returned.
And how is that my business? Eh?
When you are done, you come and meet me in the kitchen.
Lekwaha. Hey, hey. When Madnaga, see this one. Well, all I know is that I will keep saying the truth. If you like, kill yourself. Rubbish. Somebody will not talk true again in this house. After all, Chineke si na ine kwezoku. Mkwezoku nga din the room baby. Onga na ekwe naga. Icho igabo owegi. Rubbish. What nonsense is that? What's even wrong with this girl? Eh? Because I'm even managing to talk to her. I'll keep saying the truth. If she likes, she should kill herself. Rubbish.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I was supposed to be here earlier. But Your Majesty, I expected to see you or a high-profile representative of the royal family in court for the hearing.
I'm sorry, Counsel, but I couldn't imagine myself standing to watch my daughter stand in the dark, facing accusation of what she knows nothing about. Come on. Well, it's a sad thing that Jude had to go the way he did.
Well, the court is a hope for a common man. Princess Electra will be vindicated soon, Your Majesty.
That's my prayers. Believe me, I have never had a moment of sleep since this case began. I've never. That reminds me, Barrister. Were you able to speak with his family? I mean, Jude's family. I know the grief at the moment, but they should also understand that my daughter is innocent. I mean, she's also a victim in this whole thing.
Yes, Your Majesty. I reached out to his only sister. But she threatened to sue if we come a meter close to her. I suppose we negotiate and slowly, Your Majesty.
Barrister,
yes,
whatever it will take for you to get this whole thing over with, please, just do it. See to the speedy end of this particular case. I and my husband will appreciate you so much. We will. I hope you understand the enormity of the assignment given to you, Barrister.
Yes, Your Majesty. I do perfectly well.
All right, then.
We'll be on my way now, Your Majesty. My regards to the king.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
No pain, no gain, no pain, no gain! Jude! 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 Why are you dragging me?
You are eavesdropping on the princess. So you're going round the palace and eavesdropping on everybody just for a little. Can you hear me, this girl? Why is it that you don't listen to me? Eh? I told you that the princess has had induced death. I was passing. I overheard her shouting, Jude, Jude. There's somebody that's seen a ghost. What is wrong with you? Eh? I told you that the princess is inside there shouting. That is because you're trying to make mountains out of molehills. Be careful before you land yourself into trouble. Go, Wabakashiga. See, let me tell you, I am the most favored staff in this palace and nobody can touch me. Not even you. See this one. Banasekisi. Let me remind you that pride goes before downfall. What's not again? See this one. Eh? Careful. I'm trying to help her life. Imagine her step became to the nonsense. Come back here now. Idiot. Foolish kid.
Electra, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be in the office by now. Is anything the matter? Is there something you're not telling me? Electra, I'm talking to you.
It's because of Jude. It's because of Jude and every other thing that has been happening. I feel like this is all one big dream. I keep looking forward to Jude's call or visit. I keep wishing he will come to me and tell me that it's all a big joke.
Electra, please come. Please come. Please. Electra.
Yes, sir.
This is not a joke. Neither is it a dream. And the earlier you realize this, the better for you. Electra, you have to move on with your life.
Dad, the more I try, the more difficult it becomes.
Electra, always remember that you owe yourself the responsibility to live your life to the fullest. It will interest you to know there are many men out there who want to have a shot with you. You are that beautiful princess, remember?
It's easy for you to say that. I can't bring myself to leave the confines of this house. No.
Electra, tomorrow only belongs to those who prepared for it today. Think about it.
I'm sorry, my car. No, sorry. I'm so sorry.
What is going on?
This is kind of inconvenience. My car has developed a fault, and even though my mechanic is on his way here, but by virtue of my car being stuck, you can't even pass. I am so sorry, but he'll be here in no time because I've been on the phone with him for some minutes now.
It's fine. I'm not bothered about you blocking the road.
You're not?
But you know, not at all. But here it's not safe at all.
I know, and it's getting dark.
Yeah. So, what's wrong with your car?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Are you sure it's not overheating?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Can I try? Please.
Sure.
All right.
What do you think it is?
I think the problem is theoretical fault. Oh yes, well I will try my best. I will fix it now. Let me try.
No kidding! I cannot believe this! You did it! You did it! You must be an angel!
Oh yes.
I can't believe you fixed it!
Oh yes, it's from the alternator. But I've fixed it now.
Genius! Thank you!
You're welcome. You're welcome. So you're good to go.
Thanks!
My name is Richard.
Electra. Princess Electra.
Wow.
Yeah.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I mean, your elegance is so unmistakably powerful.
Are you serious right now?
Well, why not drive your car? I want to accompany you to a safe place before I go my way.
Like a gentleman.
I'm a gentleman.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right.
I'm gonna have to call my mechanic and cancel.
Okay, fine.
Because you saved my life.
You're welcome.
This is amazing. Really, this is your house?
Yes.
You've got great taste.
Thank you. I'm honored, but it's nothing though. Make yourself comfortable while I get my mother.
Your what?
My mother.
Your mother is here? You didn't tell me your mother. I didn't know we were coming to see your mother.
Well, I'm sorry about it, right? I'm so sorry. I wanted it to be a surprise.
I don't like surprises.
It's fine. Can I tell you a little secret?
What?
My mother has been on my tail to bring home a woman. And I'm sure she will be shocked when she sees you.
Richard?
Mom, you're here.
Hello, Mom. Good day. You're welcome, my dear. Thank you.
Look at you. So beautiful and calm.
Thanks.
How are your parents?
They're fine, thank you, Ma.
Sit.
Thank you.
Sit. You know, I thought he was joking. But seeing you, I can actually believe you just use small words to describe how beautiful you are.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks.
My son, you're just like your father. Hi. His eyes speak only the beautiful things.
The mom is okay. Please, what do I offer you?
You ask her what to offer her? Get up and offer her things. Anything, good things.
1 minute.
Yes.
I'll be right back.
Yes, okay. Yes. Now you make me proud.
Yeah, bro.
Wait, you concluded already? How do you know she's the one for you? Come on, a girl you just accidentally met.
Well, it's love at first sight.
Really?
Did I tell you that she's a real princess?
Richard, marriage is a lifetime commitment. Not a roller coaster. Not a game we play on TV. Come on, man, you should know this.
There he goes again. Are you sure you were listening to all I was saying?
Of course I'm listening to everything that you've said. But this sounds so unlike you. See, bro, you have caught the syndrome. And I beg you to snap out of it now before it's too late.
Well, my mother has given her blessings. Really? So it's too late.
Look, I'm not contesting anything. I just need you to keep your eyes open. Yeah, my bro, I'm just watching your back. Okay?
It's fine, bro. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'll handle it. You don't have a problem. Just send me what if that number will talk.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I've not seen your face in this palace before. Are you here for Princess Electra?
Oh, yes.
Sorry, please. Are you the next fish for her to feast on? But you come fine past the last person. Why are you so fine?
Excuse me? The last person I do not understand.
Sorry, it's a slip of mouth. Sorry, for a tongue. Please, let the princess not hear this, please. Please, I beg you. Oh, you're so cute! Madam Hope, what is it? See, you know the queen can be mischievous sometimes. Anytime they pay us our salary, either 1,000 or 2 will be missing. So I'm trying to confirm that my money is complete because me, I cannot work for free.
Oh, can you do me a favor? Just one thing.
What is that?
Oh, can you be serious in your life for once? Eh? So this is what you've been doing, and I've been looking for you everywhere.
Why are you looking for me?
Because who took the cake I put in the refrigerator?
Here. Am I your cake keeper? I did not see any cake now.
Wait, guess.
Oh, this cake gets for once now.
Madam Hope, I beg. I don't have time for this at all. And besides, a
man came home with the princess. No, let me put it in this way. The princess came back. If you see this man, hey! If you see this man, Amaka, he's so handsome, so cute. Hey! Even Holy Mary Amaka like you want to go to Dibia to get him.
Hope. Hi! To fear Wage. Hope, God have mercy on you.
Now what happened?
See you, a young girl like you. How can you be this nosy and lousy at the same time? God have mercy on you.
Virgin Maria Meniregaka. Lekwaha. Eh? See somebody I'm trying to help her life and she's here misbehaving. What's wrong with this one? Local champion. See her shaking Nash. Balasekese. Rubbish.
Who is there? Hope? Amaka? Who? Anybody there?
say that this is personal effect.
Personal effect, but where did you get it from?
Can't you see he brought it from the car?
Inside my car?
Officer, what is check this?
Hold on, what is this? Officer, hold on. Are you sure this is from my car? Yeah?
Do you see me with anything? Officer, I have every reason to suspect that this is narcotic substance.
What? No, officer, see, let me explain something. I did not put this here. I'm not lying to you. How? I don't understand what is going on.
Keep quiet.
I didn't put this in the car.
You better keep your mouth shut.
I didn't know they say they sold substance, narcotic substance. I don't know how.
This substance is narcotic.
I don't know how.
Do you know what that means?
No, officer, I will explain.
Sir, you are under arrest.
Let me explain. I did not.
You are under arrest.
Why will I put this inside my hand? I reason down.
Are you telling us we are lying? Do you want to tell me?
There's no
way
I
of the law that I'm lying.
Officer, stop now. I'm not a kid.
Oga, shut up. Officer, handcuff him.
Babe, I didn't even understand what is going on. I can explain. Babe, I won't try it now. Why will I come and...
Officer, handcuff him.
Wait, hold on. I think there must be a mix-up somewhere.
Officer, handcuff him.
What? Show me, officer.
Will you give him your hand before I blow off your skull?
Officer, I'm not lying to you. Babe, how come? What is going on here?
There must be a mix-up somewhere.
How? I didn't fix that. I didn't even...
Oga, shut up. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. You have every right to get an attorney. The government will provide if you don't have the money. Oga, move.
Enter your casa. Move to the